I'm Chris Ransley from Ray White on North Stradbroke Island, and I'm very proud to be presenting to you today the ultimate lifestyle opportunity here at glorious Point Lookout. Formerly known as Kokomo Beach House, this is 21 to 25 Coming Parade. Come and take a look around.
Oh baby, baby, I believe in us. We still got the crush here above the way when we play, you and me. What can I say? You are every man's dream, finest woman that I've seen. Take your time down the line, deeper vibes, ain't no crime. I just wanna love you, baby. Spread a little dust in the night. Help me get the mojo back, honey. We both know I've been stuck. I just wanna love you, baby. Spread a little dust in the night. Help me get the mojo back, honey. We both know I've been stuck. You are every man's dream, finest woman that I've seen. Take your time down the line, deeper vibes, ain't no crime. I just wanna love you, baby. Spread a little dust in the night. Help me get the mojo back, honey. We both know I've been stuck. I just wanna love you, baby. Spread a little dust in the night. Help me get the mojo.
People often joke about the island work-life balance, and I've got to admit, this one's a little bit special and I like it. If you like what you've seen, call me today to book your inspection.